morning! Hello, good morning! Hi guys, good morning! Andito na yung high chair ni Francene at hindi kami marunong mag-assemble. It's there. Frank
He's here. Morning.
Yeah, Frank is assembling the high chair. I got it from Amazon for 54 euros. And we were expecting na hindi siya masyadong yung ano ba yun, matibay guys, pero nung nag-open kami ng box now, it's really very, how do you call that?
Very,
yeah,
very high quality.
Yeah, high quality. What's that they say, the company, it says there?
No.
What's that paper thing? Oh, yeah.
Just an instruction for something.
High quality guys. Akala namin hindi siya, mumurahin lang siya na quality. Yung plastic na plastic. Pero very, very good. Very good. So, papakita namin pag natapos namin i-assemble guys. And, there's Francene's high chair. Hello. She likes it. Go to second floor. Look at her face.
Oi, I have to hold it down here.
Look. Yeah. Now, Mama can relax because she likes to sit down. Hello. Say hi. Hey, you have a new high. You have new high chair? Yeah. Thumbs up.
Yeah, thumbs up.
Thumbs up to the company. Thumbs up, Amazon.
It's not Amazon.
No, it's not Amazon. It's Amazon.
It's only delivered by Amazon. Sold.
So, that thing, show me. Hindi muna namin to nilagay, guys. Kasi, hindi pa kumakain si Francene. Hindi pa siya kumakain. Ganyan lang. Kasi gusto niyang umupo. She wants to sit down. So, it's too big. Very nice. Say hi. Hello. Hello, everybody. I have a high chair. Hello. And it's really nice. Goodbye.
You can put on the helmet and then you can fly.
Yeah, she can go to Mars.
Yeah.
So happy. She's so happy. Yeah. Yeah. Look at her. She's trying to. Look.
So when do we fly? I'm ready for takeoff.
Okay. Final look. Adjust. Yeah, the basket for shopping. To make the customer more happy. It's really nice, the quality guys. Yun, ito, washable. Yung, yung ganito niya, matatanggal to siya. Ito, matatanggal. And there's Francene, feeling comfortable. May pa-foam pa siya. Sit dito guys, Yes, hi. Yes, good job, Mama. I can sit down now. I don't need to cry all the time. Sit goodbye. Good boy. Na goodbye. Not bye. Ready, go, Francene. You're going now? Where are you? Wow! Good job! Wow! Good job! Good job naman yan, oy. Good job naman.
Very
Wow.
good.
Very good. Again? Okay.
That's all right. Get back.
Good job naman ng Francene, oy. Francene, good job. Hello. Hi. Say hi. Say hi. You're gonna fall there. Say hi. Say hi. Don't turn in the wrong direction. Don't. Don't.
But you made it. You made a whole round. But almost fell down the sofa. Fantastic. Oi, and another one. And another one. Oh, Jesus Christ. You hold it.
Give me that.
I got- She's going to get dizzy with all these rounds. Oi. And look what she has.
Oh, you remote.
For the
Ah, you planned that.
Whoa.
Again? Show mama. Good job.
Oi.
Whoop. Boy, you're so quick. God, no, now you're so fast now.
Yeah, I should do it the other way. You know what? We lay her back again, and we do it here. Here you cannot do anything wrong.
Okay. Okay. Look
Yeah.
at that. Good job. Yay. Yay. Good job.
Now her arms are stuck. She's like in a mental jacket.
Good job. Come on, again. No, you have to watch her.
Yeah.
Because I'm afraid that she's gonna fall. Good job naman yan. Look, she cannot move anymore because her arms. Ah,
You
Papa.
can, yeah, that, right, now.
You gotta love donkey. You gotta love donkey. Yeah? Donkey. Hello, donkey. Hello, 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 hello. Quick, quick. Hello, hello, hello. Quick, quick. Quick, 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 quick. You gonna babat? You gonna babat? You gonna babat? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Hello, guys. Guys, tingnan niyo si Francene. Mute ko nga muna to. Nanonood lang siya ng TV. Wait. Mute ko muna. Nasaan ba yung mute? Yun. Nanonood lang siya ng TV, guys. Nagluluto ako. Hindi pa nakuha yung happy birthday. Nagluluto ako ng ng lunch namin. Itlog lang. Wala kaming ulam. Itlog lang. Hello. Are you okay there? Are you okay? Good? Sitting pretty lang. Hindi na siya mahirap anuhin. Kasi nakaupo lang siya dyan. Nanonood ng TV. Pero hindi palagi, guys. Hindi ko siya palaging pinapanood ng TV. Minsan, binabasahan ko siya ng libro. Minsan, pumunta kami sa ABC. Yun. Okay, play it again? Okay? Tapusin ko lang yung niluluto ko.
Oh, Jesus Christ, the carrots, they're raw.
Yeah? Yummy, Ella? Is that your first time? No, right? We're eating this.
How about you can get that?
How paano, but you haven't tried me cooking this?
No.
I think I did.